Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to create a super user for the Django Admin panel. Come here to create it. Python manage.py create super user. Name John. Email address, password 123, then again reset the password 123, then log in to the admin panel with super username John 123. okay, site administration, authentication and authorization. Here we can add groups and users, and this is our members which we have created in our app. And come to the admin site. So now we added a member model into the admin part. So we can delete specific members object like this, then delete the selected members, then go. Okay, yes, I am sure one object has successfully deleted from the admin panel. Then come back to, so we can add member as well. From here, first name, last name, phone number and join date. Then we can save them. Then we can add from here as well. Okay, and we can change the member as well. Now come here to the home page of the Django Admin panel. And this is the recent actions which has done. The 13th member is deleted from the admin panel to the model. If you look at this members, this is not user friendly, just member object 20, member object 11, member object 10. So this is not a user friendly. So now I am going to make this member objects with the member name and last name and his last name. So come here into model class, then set a specific function here, define str self dot first name self dot last name. Okay, then save it. Come here into the admin panel. Then refresh the admin page. Okay, Khalid Gulab, Kabir Ahmed, Khan. Then the user first name and last name now is user friendly. So now we can change the specific member like Kabir Ahmed. I want to change this member with some other Kabir Ahmad. Now I want to Mahmoud. Then save it. Okay, Mahmoud Ahmad. Then we can delete a specific member like this one. I want to delete from the member table or member class. Then check it and then go to the action delete selected member. Once you selected this delete selected member, then go the specific member would be deleted from the member class. Yes, I am sure. Okay, that member was successfully deleted from the member class. So now we can add a specific member here. Then first name John Durga. Phone is something. Okay, join date 2nd January 1989. Okay, then save it. So enter the valid date, then save it. John Durga. Okay, this is the new object which we have added into our member class. Then come here to the home page. So this is the recent actions which I have done and recently. So if the video is useful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel, please. Thank you for watching.